My name is Grant, and in this video, what I want to do is show how you can get the Moodle ID for a course in Moodle. So up here in the URL, this controls how Moodle navigates, and you can watch it as you go through things and see what's going on. If you watch it right now, while I click on the course, you'll see that it says on the name, this is the root for the Moodle instance. In this case, it's nsa.myghsd.ca. And then the information after that says it's a course, and then the view and all that. But the course ID is what we want. And just by clicking on the course and getting this information here, we have this ID. This 2555 is the Moodle ID for the course. But if you want to find the ID for many courses at one time, and you don't want to navigate to each of them, there's another way you can do that as well. So we have our root, nsa.myghsd.ca. That's the main address to get to our Moodle. And if you're signed in, after that, the .ca and the / we could type in the word course. It's already here from this one, but you can see where it is there, course. And once you click on that, you'll actually get our catalog of courses. So you could click on any of the courses in the catalog. These are all categories, but let's drill down, for example, into math. And all of these links here are available. If you want to save the link for any of these, you can right-click on the name of a course here and just hit copy link address. And then you will have that right there. It will be waiting for you. Let's see if I can pop this in here or not. Hoping that it shows what I'm doing here. That's what I just copied. And then if I took this same address and open up a new tab and pop it in, I'll go to the course that was copied from. So that's a nice way that we can navigate in Moodle just using the course IDs and jumping right to the course that we want to find. And these IDs are very helpful because every time a course is duplicated or created or what have you, Moodle just automatically assigns the next course ID in the numeric order, and then it's a unique ID for that specific course. So if you give me that ID or you're talking about a course with that ID, it's a very specific instance of the course. And then we can easily find it based on what you share, what you know about the course ID.